Keeping your home clean with pets around can be a constant challenge, but the right robot vacuum can make all the difference. In today's video, we are diving into the best robot vacuums for pet hair 2025, featuring top-rated models designed to handle fur, dirt, and debris with ease. Whether you need powerful suction, self-emptying technology, or advanced navigation, we have got you covered. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the fifth spot is the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum, a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution designed specifically for pet owners. This advanced vacuum offers up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning thanks to its self-empty station with a 2.5-liter dust bag. The 5,000 pascals of ultra-strong suction effortlessly removes pet hair, crumbs, and dust in a single pass, ensuring spotless floors. With its iPath laser navigation, the vacuum precisely maps out your home using LiDAR technology, creating efficient cleaning routes that prevent missed spots and unnecessary recleaning. The AI.map 2.0 feature allows you to customize cleaning through the app by selecting specific rooms, setting no-go zones, and even managing multi-floor mapping for homes with multiple levels. One of its standout features is the hair detangling technology, which eliminates the hassle of removing pet hair manually. The self-empty station's automatic system slices through tangled hair on the roller brush, ensuring uninterrupted performance. With its sleek black design and smart controls, the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum is built for convenience and efficiency, reducing the need for frequent maintenance while keeping pet hair under control. Whether you have shedding pets or just want a cleaner home with minimal effort, this vacuum is a top-tier choice for hassle-free cleaning in 2025. At number 4, the Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and powerful solution designed for pet owners who need efficient and hassle-free cleaning. Its small body design with an 11-inch diameter and 2.99-inch height allows it to navigate under furniture like beds and sofas with ease, ensuring no dust or pet hair is left behind. Unlike traditional roller brushes that often get tangled with hair, the Lefant M210 features a unique brushless suction port that directly pulls in pet hair and dirt without entanglement, making it a great choice for homes with shedding pets. Powered by a strong digital motor, this vacuum provides robust suction to handle debris, dust, and pet hair effortlessly. One of its standout features is the 6 cleaning modes, including zigzag, random, spot, edge, schedule, and manual control, which allow users to customize their cleaning preferences via the Lefant app. The app also enables scheduled cleanings, real-time monitoring, and suction power adjustments, ensuring your home stays spotless with minimal effort. Additionally, voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant allows for hands-free operation. Equipped with upgraded FreeMove technology 3.0, the Lefant M210 uses 6D built-in infrared sensors to detect obstacles, preventing collisions and ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. The anti-fall sensors protect it from tumbling downstairs, while auto-docking ensures it returns to its charging station when needed. With a long-lasting lithium iron phosphate battery, this robotic vacuum delivers up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. The Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner combines intelligent navigation, powerful suction, and smart app integration, making it an excellent choice for pet-friendly homes in 2025. Next on our list is the Eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum, a sleek and ultra-thin cleaning solution designed for efficient pet hair removal. With a compact 2.85-inch profile, this vacuum can effortlessly navigate under furniture, ensuring no hidden pet hair or dust is left behind. Unlike many bulky alternatives, it operates quietly, making it ideal for day or night use without disturbing your home environment. The extended battery life provides up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning on hardwood floors, delivering powerful and consistent suction at a noise level comparable to a microwave. Equipped with Boost IQ technology, the Eufy 11S Max automatically adjusts suction power within 1.5 seconds when moving between different surfaces, ensuring optimal cleaning whether on carpets, rugs, or hard floors. This smart feature enables it to pick up embedded pet hair, crumbs, and debris without requiring manual intervention. For enhanced durability, it features an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover, maintaining a sleek, stylish appearance while protecting against daily wear and tear. Its advanced infrared sensors help the vacuum detect and avoid obstacles, while drop sensing technology prevents accidental falls downstairs or ledges. Although the Eufy 11S Max does not support Wi-Fi or app connectivity, it remains highly user-friendly with simple operation via a remote control and onboard buttons. This means users can easily schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and activate cleaning modes without relying on an internet connection. Additionally, its self-charging capability ensures that the vacuum automatically returns to its charging station when the battery is low, so it is always ready for the next cleaning session. Combining powerful suction, quiet operation, and intelligent navigation, the Eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking a simple yet highly effective cleaning solution in 2025. At number 2, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a powerful, self-sufficient cleaning solution designed to tackle pet hair with ease. Featuring incredible suction, this robotic vacuum effectively removes dirt and debris from all floor types, ensuring a deep clean throughout your home. Its advanced Matrix Clean technology ensures no spot is missed by making multiple precise passes over an area, providing thorough coverage. Designed for convenience, the self-emptying bagless base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for frequent emptying and reducing maintenance costs. Unlike traditional self-emptying vacuums, the Shark AI Ultra does not require disposable bags, making it an eco-friendly choice. Its self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to dig deep into carpets and directly engage hardwood floors, lifting pet hair and debris while preventing tangles. With precision home mapping, the 360-degree LiDAR vision quickly scans and maps your home, allowing the vacuum to navigate efficiently while detecting and avoiding objects. Whether cleaning during the day or night, this intelligent navigation system adapts to everyday changes in their home for a seamless experience. Perfect for pet owners, the Shark AI Ultra excels at capturing fur and dust without constant supervision. Hands-free control allows users to set cleaning schedules, initiate cleanings, or activate commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The extended runtime ensures uninterrupted cleaning, and with the recharge and resume feature, the vacuum automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning where it left off. With smart navigation, powerful suction, and a self-emptying system, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum delivers a high-performance cleaning experience for pet-friendly homes in 2025. Taking the top spot is the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-performance cleaning solution designed for pet owners who need powerful suction and deep mopping capabilities. This robotic vacuum offers a dual-action system, combining an ultra-powerful vacuum with sonic mopping to pick up dry debris while scrubbing hard floors 100 times per minute. Its Matrix Clean technology ensures thorough coverage, making multiple passes over dirt and debris for 30% better carpet cleaning compared to single-pass vacuums. For edge and corner cleaning, CleanEdge Detect uses blasts of air and advanced corner recognition to pull debris into the cleaning path, improving edge cleaning by 50%. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 features a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. Unlike traditional auto-empty vacuums, its bagless design does not require disposable bags, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. With true HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen seal, this vacuum traps 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air for allergy sufferers. Its precision home mapping, powered by 360-degree LiDAR vision, scans and navigates efficiently, avoiding obstacles and adapting to changes in your home. Designed specifically for homes with pets, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 has a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap and effectively lifts pet hair from carpets and hard floors. With the Matrix Mop feature, users can target stubborn stains for 50% better deep cleaning. Hands-free control allows scheduling and activation via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, while recharge and resume ensures the vacuum returns to its base to recharge, and then continues cleaning where it left off. With advanced suction, sonic mopping, and smart navigation, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is the ultimate cleaning solution for pet-friendly homes in 2025.